Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday. It is February 23rd. I need to double check, I don't know the date. Yeah, it's Saturday, February 23rd. It is currently 8:50 a.m. I woke up like a half an hour ago and I just brushed my teeth and my hair. The reason that I haven't like fully gotten ready yet is because I'm gonna film a skincare routine video here in like 20-ish minutes. I'm really excited to film this video. I don't know why I haven't done it earlier because it's one of my most requested videos ever. I get comments on my Instagram about it, comments on YouTube, DMs, like all kinds of stuff asking for a skincare routine video. So I'm really excited to film this video and just get it out to you guys. Anyway, I made a little to-do list of stuff that I have to get done this weekend. This video might actually turn into like a weekend vlog, so I might vlog today and tomorrow. Just depends. I'm gonna see, can I balance this on here? Okay, it's staying. This is the most dangerous setup ever. But I'm just gonna read what's on my to-do list for the weekend. So I need to vlog, which I'm already doing now, so I can check that off the list. Start packing for my trip. Do my laundry, which it's in the dryer, so already winning. Edit my video that I'm gonna post tomorrow. Run by Target and film my skincare routine video. So yeah, that's everything I want to accomplish this weekend. Hopefully I can get it all done. But of course, I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me for everything. I haven't eaten breakfast yet, so let's go make some breakfast. Also, this is super random, but this is literally my outfit that I went to sleep in. I have this t-shirt from Operation Christmas Child from when I volunteered there, this random Sherpa cardigan from Old Navy, these pajama shorts I got from Amazon, and then these long socks that I've literally had for like 3 years, I think, maybe 4, and I've just never worn them till now because I was all out of pajama pants. Also, everyone's favorite part of the vlog. All right, I made my breakfast. Here it is. I have some Rice Chex cereal and some orange juice. By the way, this is some of the best orange juice I've ever tasted. I'm gonna show it to you guys. Here it is. It's the Minute Maid original. I don't know why. It's maybe I've just never had good orange juice before, but this tastes so good to me. Time to film. I film all of my beauty and skincare related videos in my parents' bathroom just because it's a lot bigger than mine and the lighting is so much better in there. Also, if you're new and you want to see a more in-depth behind the scenes of my videos and how I film them, I will link a vlog that I did a few weeks ago down below. I share like how I film my videos, what I do for the audio, and all the details of my equipment. So if you want to check that out, it will be linked down below in the description box. As I said, I'm just going to do a time lapse of me setting everything up right now. Update. Oh my gosh, you're probably like, Katie, what the heck, why do you have blemish cream on your skin? But I need to wash this off. I just filmed my skincare routine video, but the video took me like an hour to film, so I'm probably gonna have a lot of footage to go through, which is kind of stressful because I am going on this trip a week from Monday. I'm happy that this video is complete. I have so much to clean up. Literally all of this, like everything, stress right now, but I'm proud of myself because I've gotten so much done. It's not even noon and I've already filmed, so that's really good. All right, it is currently 11:47. Since I've spent like kind of half the day already without any makeup on, I really don't want to put on a full face of makeup. So I'm just gonna put on a little bit of concealer and mascara right now. My mom just told me she was gonna leave for Target and I was like, wait, I need to go to Target too. And so we're just gonna go together. I have to get a few mini travel items for my trip as well as some concealer because I'm out of that. Hangers, because I break every hanger for some reason. I literally don't know why. Does anyone else do that? I feel like I break every hanger. I don't know how it's possible. And then I also need toothpaste and micellar water. My dog is freaking out. So I'll take you guys on the Target adventure. We might get lunch somewhere too because it's almost noon. My cousin just had a baby, so I wanted to pick out a onesie for him. Okay, how cute. It's so cute. I came for like 4 things and I realized I need 20 more items when I came, so you know, that's just how Target works. Okay, we're finally back from Target. I'm about to make these zucchini noodles for lunch. It's currently 1:48 p.m. These are the best if you cook them in olive oil and then put Parmesan cheese on top. Okay, it's currently about 2:30 p.m. and I am just starting to pack. I have so much to pack, so that's why I'm starting earlier. Anyway, I think I'm gonna be there for 8 days. Hopefully that's the right time, but I have all this stuff here, and this is only my toiletries and snacks. I had to sacrifice the veggie straws and the Cheerios because they literally would not fit in this bag. Just so you all know, I'm gonna be doing, why do I still have my purse on? sorry. I'm gonna be doing a what's in my carry-on video, and I'll just share everything in my carry-on 2 weeks from now. In case you're wondering, everything that's in my carry-on, it will all be included in that video. I'm trying to pack all of my pre-packable toiletries, if that makes sense. I think I'm gonna do a time lapse of all of this, and then I'll actually get to the pack with me part when I'm doing my suitcase. There we go. I did it. All right, now the part you've all been waiting for, slash possibly might have come to this video specifically for if you were searching for a pack with me, the suitcase. My suitcase is by Jessica Simpson. I actually got her at Ross Dress for Less, so she's not bougie at all, but she still works and we love her. Actually a pretty good size, even though I was saying it was really small. I think it's like the smallest one. It fits in the overhead carrier of a plane, but I have so many big jackets and coats and tons of beanies, and I'm just stressed out that I'm not gonna be able to fit everything I want in here. We're just gonna go with this, okay? We're gonna see how it rolls. And then here's my carry-on. It looks kind of big on the screen to be a carry-on, but like compared to me, it's literally the size of my torso. First order of business is to prep the outfits. I am a major planner. I can't just like put things that are all gonna match each other. I have to put on the outfits, make sure everything like fits properly and it's all the way I want it. So I'm gonna start with the outfit I'm gonna wear on the plane. I think that I want to wear this pullover. I am just gonna start making a pile of everything that I want to bring in the corner of my room, and then I will go through all of it. So if you guys are going on a trip soon, you want to pack with me, I recommend starting just pulling things from your closet, throwing it all into a pile of what you want to bring and what you know you want to bring, and then just going through it all, putting outfits together and all that stuff. So let's pack. Here is everything that I'm pretty sure I want to bring with me on this trip. Obviously, I still have to like sort through it all, but there's so much stuff here. Honestly, at this point, I should probably tell you guys where I'm going. You might know. It's not out of the country, but why do I feel the need to bring all of this? I mean, it is like an 8-day trip, but still, why? Okay, I just got all my shoes and stuff together, and these shoes, I realized I'm gonna have to pack. They're pretty big. I'm also gonna bring these sneakers. Oops. And these I'm gonna be wearing on the airplane. You can probably tell because I'm more energetic in this video, I feel like, but whenever I'm stressed, I kind of like get high energy. Now I'm gonna try to separate all of this into outfits, put my leggings with my jeans, and just have things for layering. So let's cue up another time lapse while I plan out my outfits. You guys, I am finally done. I think that took me like an hour to put together these outfits alone. I still have to pick out some pajamas. I think I only need like 4 pairs, so I'm not going to bring very many. I'll just alternate between them every other night. But I have all this stuff right here that I didn't use, so obviously a lot of it is pajamas and leggings and things that I want to bring as like more comfy clothes that I can wear at night. So some of this stuff I have to put back away, and some of it I am going to just set out as pajamas to fit in here, but I don't know how I'm gonna fit all of this stuff and pajamas and these shoes into there. I might have to go out and buy a new suitcase. Hopefully that's not the case. Doing pretty well. I've taken a lot of mini breaks in between this to either charge my camera, and I took like a 30-minute break after I was done with it before I am showing this to you guys because I had to charge my camera. Again, I was just doing a lot of time lapses, so it drained the battery. Alright you guys, I finally think I'm finished. I'm so happy that I got this all done because next weekend I'll be able to focus on just getting videos ready and scheduled to put up, so I don't have to worry about editing anything while I'm there. The one main thing is getting all of this in there. That's gonna be the struggle, but I'm just gonna figure that out sometime this week. I'll have my dad help me because he literally is the most amazing at just squishing everything down. So I changed out of my leggings because I wanted to pack them, so I just put on these sweats, but I have everything that I'm gonna pack right here outfits wise. I have an umbrella, a purse, and then a backpack right here. I have undergarments right here, socks, and then some t-shirts for my pajamas, as well as a whole bunch of leggings here to wear underneath my jeans and as pajamas while I'm there. And then I have these pajama pants. So all I have to focus on this week is packing my carry-on bag. I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow because I want to film my what's on my carry-on. I've got my toiletries packed, I have my snacks, and then I'm also going to try and fit all my camera equipment and stuff in here, as well as my vlog camera and memory cards. I think I want to go out and buy one more memory card just in case I don't have enough space. So very, very, very happy that that's all done, and hope you guys enjoyed my little pack with me. So I'm now gonna go with my mom and my sister. We're gonna, I think, get something to eat for dinner, but my room is gonna be kind of a disaster for the next week. I'm just gonna leave this chair over there, scoot that equipment back, and then fold all this later tonight. So yeah, I've had a very productive day. I'm so proud of myself. I am not this productive on Saturdays, but I've been such a productive person today. Okay, we ended up getting takeout at a soup and salad place. So I got this turkey sandwich, and then their soup of the day was chicken noodle, which is my favorite. So I got a cup of that. Okay, update. It's currently about 6:30, and I've been upstairs trying to test pack. I don't know if that even makes sense, but due to this, what I'm about to show you, Allie and I have decided that we're gonna go tomorrow and get new, bigger suitcases because these are not cutting it. Here's my current situation. I literally have this thing packed to the brim. It's hard as a rock. It will not squish down any farther. And this, I literally promise I've tried. It looks like it's really bad packing, but I've tried to roll everything. And then I also have all of that stuff over here, including like my umbrella, backpack, undergarment situation. Yeah, she's not cutting it. We love her, but we're gonna have to use her for shorter trips and get a new one tomorrow. You guys will see all these outfits come to life on my Instagram and in my vlogs that I'm gonna be posting, because I'm gonna be vlogging almost every day while I'm there. I'm really excited. That's the sitch. Alright, it is a little later now. It's currently 8:20, and I have one more thing left to do on my to-do list, and that is edit my video. I think I have like 50 minutes of footage to go through still, and I have to put it over the B-roll and link everything, so that's probably gonna take me like 2 hours to do all of that, but I'm gonna start editing right now, and hopefully I'll be able to finish by 9:30, 10-ish. We'll see. Okay, you guys, update. It is currently 10:52 p.m. and I finally finished editing the video. I'm in the middle of watching it back right now. Sorry, the camera's not even on my face, but I still have to publish the video itself, make the thumbnail, link everything for the video, and then I will go to bed. But I just want to end the vlog and thank you all for watching. I hope that you all have a wonderful, beautiful day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.